Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can check your email on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and also your applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And if you go here to the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. And right here, you're gonna find the search option, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here in this page. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find accessibility, network, and users and accounts. Go ahead and click on users and accounts, and then you're gonna be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, you're gonna find account, family, privacy, linked services, authorized apps, and others. So right now, just go here to the top, go ahead and click on accounts, and then right here, you're gonna find sign in ID, security, profile, payment and subscription, address, and lastly, communication preferences. So go ahead and click on the first option, sign in ID. So basically guys, your sign in ID is your email address. Go ahead and click right here, and then you will find your current email address, and you can also change it if you want. So basically guys, if you want to change it, just go ahead and click on X on your controller, and then go ahead and click on the delete button to delete or to remove your email address, and then you can just type the email address that you want and then click on done or click on R2, then click on confirm. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.